Yeah, that's it there for man.
Yes, guys, so this man is not talking from one art, he's talking from two art.
Yeah, man.
As I said twice. He have two art, one on the left and one on the right.
Because I want to get tired right now, at least me work off. See me I say, yeah man, I want to get tired. Like that's easy enough, but at least me work off now kind of, you know? Yeah man.
Yeah, we're going
yeah,
right
see?
hand, the left hand.
Man. And so it good with that too. Okra. Okra good with fish. And they eat fish and okra, they call it dapper food. Dapper, make me see and if you are dapper, steamed fish and snapper.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, Scanner! Yeah. All the best. All the best. All the best.
Philip.
Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Philip. Happy New Year, sir. Scanner.
Yeah.
Happy
New Year to the extended family, yeah. And that is real.
That is real. So what's your New Year wish? Scanner, what is it? Oh.
X amount of life.
Think of your on this. Happy year out.
Top on.
Yeah, so what's your wish for the new year?
Pay life and extended family pay life same way. To the world.
To the world.
Yeah.
More life.
I never forget that extended family. Love it to the bone. Skin part flesh going on to bone. Love it to bone.
Skin part flesh I go
yeah. That is real.
That is real.
That is extend.
Extend right out to Happy New Year. Yeah, so the man is wishing you a Happy New Year.
Extend.
With pure love from skin go past bone and go to flesh.
Yeah.
Hello, mommy, you want pass? Oh, let her through the. Oh, hold on. Move that bag. Yeah. Move that bag up to the boss. Boss. You can pass? Ah, hold on. You can pass. Alright, that's it. Alright, come on, take your time. Excuse me. We have Mighty Joe. Mighty Joe Young. He's here. Oh, let's go through. Resort baby. Light Parks in the building.
Hallelujah, man. Bro.
Oh, yes, I got dress. Yeah, man. Bro.
Stop getting man trouble, hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Take some. I gotta get that to that. No, I don't want that one. I want the back. Give me the bag. You want to give me what you're eating. You want to a big foot. If you eat it, your foot's going to get big.
Alright, hold on. I need to give me a measurement for this. If I cola.
Yeah.
You can give $1 million for a person.
When you come back down, Chips, that's when you're going to get the cola. Oh, when you come back down, where you going? Up? Where up you going? Oh, you're going that way? Is it up in the sky or on the ground? Which one is it?
On the ground.
On the ground.
Yeah.
So she's going up on the ground. Jenna. Rolling in. So the soldiers and the numbers is there. On the ground. Good evening, everyone. Evening, everyone. How are you doing? Coming from school. Yes, Stacey, as you can see, we're on another one.
Yeah.
Move from one to another. Continue with the journey, carry on, right? Yes. Oh, chef. No, chef is going up the road there, not far from here. So you know it goes there. Telling you.
That's why my soup come here, come back.
Shall go up the where is it going? You're going up and come back.
Yeah.
She's not going on the road. She's going up in the air and come back. I'll be mixing the mortar. Oh, this is not mortar. This is gravel cement and water.
Come on.
Mortar. Okay. Okay, Talpi mixing the mortar. Gravel cement and water. Hey. Talpi mixing the mortar. Hey. Gravel cement. Yeah. Angela go pour the water. Hey, cement and water.
Yeah, let's 54.
54 up in the door. Gravel cement and water. Angela go pour the water. Hey, gravel cement and water. Hey, Angela go pour the water. Cement and water. Natural say 54.
At the door.
At the door. And the gravel cement and water. Hey, Angela pour the water. Natural say 54.
Another door.
And the door. Rasta Jackson come start it.
God, I'm going to know this.
Dream team mixing the mortar. Hey, gravel cement and water. So in a new year, we're in a new era.
New year.
New, I said,
Yeah, I might as well crap it first. Crap.
A new year now.
Jella, what's the new year's wish?
Rich.
You know what's the wishing for the new year? Come on.
Rich.
Just alright, just say rich. Talpi, what are you wishing for the new year?
Wish the best to my team, you know. Can come more love, more respect. Yeah, love to all the people over the world, you know. One team, one Talpi.
Alright, perfect. What is your wish for this new year, 2024?
First and foremost, I forgive God thanks. We met there. See, my wish for the new year, people, for people start living love, unity, and one harmony. Yeah, that is my wish. Okay, yeah. No one is perfect, but we can love. Love and love. That is the best.
Natish, what is your wish for the new year?
Rich, more life and prosperity.
One more. Alright, then. Whoa.
Yeah, I wish me alone. I wish for others.
Whoa, what is your wish for the new year?
That is my wish for my New Year's.
Yeah.
Why John we have a million wishing about £1, you know?
Yeah.
No one my wishing us, you know?
Which one?
You know, enough love. Only for love in my heart. New York twice. They say, you know, that's the wish for me, you know?
Yes.
That is the wish for me, right? No, you hear that? Yeah, man. Enough love in my heart, you know?
Yeah.
New York twice. Yeah, man. So me I say,
Not once, but twice.
twice. Yeah, man.
Alright.
So the Jimbalins, them. How the cheat? How this up?
Pass, John.
Yeah. Oh, shit. No, man.
Mother Teresa, what is your wish for the new year?
What is my wish? My wish, God give me life, and each and every one of us, and give me life to live to see the New Year's. And my very wish, I thank all of my extended family for giving me this wish. My comfortable, new life, my house. I would like to complete it for the new year with all of my extended family.
Alright, so we give thanks. And we have Mighty Joe Young. The prodigal return.
Hold on, you make a light for this myself, we can see.
Light.
Light for this.
Well, I have Uncle Light in my bag. So, Mighty Joe, what is your wish for the new year?
Family, love, roof over my head. That's what me
Alright.
Put it on this, just shine it on the light itself, and I can see it.
We have a light part up. Look at the porch there. Yeah. Light part, what is your wish for the new year?
Bigger and better, you know. Yeah, more life. Give thanks, man. Yeah, man, that is the key, you know. Bigger and better. Good.
That is it.
Go back for the measurement. I'm not too short. Now, we say rich and long life, you know. Bigger and better.
Yeah.
Greatness, you know.
I tell you my funny in the sweet. I'm telling you, I remember one tree and I woke up and already them green but them sweet. Yeah.
How old again?
Oh yeah, Italian, natural. How old is that thing? 54.
38 and a half, not so?
You know, everyone is waiting to know what natural wishes for the new year, but hold on, it's grinding slow but grind. Nat, what is your wish for the new year, natural? What do you want to see?
Well, I already see it already still now. The only thing I want for the new year and coming continually, that's health and strength. Because if you don't have health, you can't spend wealth.
Sure.
And if you don't have health, you can't work. And if you don't have the strength, you can't move on.
Sure. Not natural. See? You give it to you natural as it is. Natural as it is.
Same thing you have to pray for, huh?
Yes, sir. Natural as it is. Go through the light. Okay. Alright, so bling bling. So guys, as you can see, they're gonna put the ply in black half here. You know, black half here. So you can see they're dressing up. But if you go up on it, they're dressing out here now. Render entire.
Mighty Joe, what a let's take them. One up and right by the board end of the lesson. Right to the end of the each from the end. No man, find a piece of this. This piece of this one. Okay. Good. You like off the light? How would you have a light? Show me how you manage that perfect right now. Cool. Why it's supposed to correct, no sir? Exactly.
We got 42.
42. Like it. 42.
Yeah? You can lay black?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sure you can lay black?
Yeah.
Natural, I'm saying.
You go school for construction?
You go school for construction?
What?
No.
Learn.
I'm saying you can lay black.
Lay black.
You can run up black.
Yeah.
Better come learn something. See, you have free trade I give you around here. Free trade. It's all free.
Move your ass and put a jumble in.
I like it, you know. I like bread.
Or is a triangle man get the triangle cut.
What is that? Show it up and so on. The side of the bottle is over there. The side of the over there, sir? Yeah. Shoot up and so on. Make a mark and so on. That's what we're this is going to pass the corner all the way down, sir. So we're going to cut out it. Ah, you see it now? See? This now, we go down the corner down, sir. So all I do it now, I go by measurement.
Yeah, more. 2 inches, inch and a half.
No, so we can go upstairs, man. We can go upstairs, man.
Yeah, we'll splice it so.
Splice it and send it out.
Splice it out.
Alright, good on. Let's see the marker. Okay. I see me feel like say. Alright, the marker accurate. It's accurate. Will come out of the line, you know, but maybe when I cut it. No, when it go up, it's supposed to go over to the end board over, sir. Yeah. So when I flat, me go there, sir. I will shoot it over. Put the leather up on this. Put the leather up on this and catch it. Put the leather.
Are you happy with the leather?
Yeah. On the side. It's the engine I have left back. I cut them on black harvest. On the side are good. Oh, they're them two, they have me last year.
And the black one, the black piece there, so? The black piece there.
And that, you know, to me, the horse at the side, the lower, the underside. Yeah. So if good, they alright. So yeah, go on. So now I want to cut it first and see. Shoot it up. Yeah. Shoot it up and see. So we have this. Yeah. And shoot. So then go to that steel now. Take them and fix. Move your foot here. Masha put on there.
Masha sick and a woman.
Masha's not eat.
One of dead and gone. It's not press over him. We don't say we will have make way.
Wait. Come back on that.
Buddha?
Yeah.
You gonna go more a little bit still.
Like a slash, right? Because if you go up more, which way I'm going to take out?
No, the board. When this now reach the board yet.
Oh.
It's still there, the wall. It's still there, the board. You see that then a line up there?
Yeah.
That side like this. Yeah, so.
The old stop stay.
That me I tell you. You know what I mean that for the...
Natural.
You know what I mean that for the... You check out the whole of that I got them see. There's a line there. And fill it up.
You have to go work.
Yeah.
Up.
Still, yeah, but it's still a little space. I say, nah, go up no more.
No, go no more.
You have to stock it, man.
Go up. What's happening there?
It's stuck there, listen, man.
Give me some board there. I wear the old stop there, you know. The old stop means I wear.
Oh, remember that part.
Yeah.
You know, you can't show up, you come over too.
Oh,
it's stuck the
no, this one now. This one go look deeper. The meat box on this one. Oh no man. The concrete has stop it, man. The concrete. See that, sir? The wall. The wall has stop it. Yeah. The wall has stop it.
So if the wall has stop it, you want the next thing you can do. Drop your hand, look at it. That side there. See that side there.
Nah, you not go in there. Anyway, stop this. I have to cut this, sir. You shoot past it. Come one in, sir. And start it. You go. Come and go up with that pass up the wall. So the piece you cut now can block this and block the edge there. And the piece them go cross you upon this. I block us there now.
Yeah.
We are strip. It's down upon the over there, sir. So the idle pieces, sir. So you want to cut out this 1 inch more from the one there. The one that have the 1 inch of the space up there, sir. And start out this 1 inch, sir. No, pencil. A pencil. What makes you panic? Oh, what? You want to put more cement in it now? You dry quick. You go put it. Yes guys, so I have to go back up by the hardware now to get some lard. To get lard and also to get Salitex. So we get Salitex and lard. Right. To cover up the ceiling. So I can get some Salitex and lard to cover up the ceiling. Yeah, so we're heading back up here now. I'm sure they like an all sugar meal.
nobody can fire with cash.
Yeah. Without the last to it, it's a happy.
Yeah.
It's a broke.
Fine, something on straight.
Yeah, man.
Look how good I come to.
No?
So guys, so all chef we're gonna put on a pot
Yeah, man, I'll get a fire, you know.
and use coals. You might use wheat stick
Yeah, man, I'll
to catch
catch
the
it up.
fire.
Yeah, see that? Enter the weed, sit them catch a fire. It spread out, you know, leave a lot of sprung. And them sprung the light to the fire. You know, catch fast, see that?
Yeah.
See it?
So with that smoke, you just smoke the pot, man.
No, by the time the weed sit, you burn out, man. You burn out.
We should mind first the people them in the
Yeah,
area.
yeah, I know. No, man. I looking at the tea you know, drink. And the tea good for you, you know, for sickle cell, asthma. All the thing it good for. This, you know?
Yeah.
Weed, you know? Yeah, man.
Alright. So guys, so all chef, what you cook today? So all chef, I'm gonna put in a pot like for the members, them are put in some work. You know? Put in some a pot quick and fast. So see that we have the rice, we have the sliced fish.
Yeah, man, so never chicken them and over deal with them cars.
Chicken. How much that?
10 pounds.
Luffy? You sure?
One bag full and look in that one, yeah.
This one we have the chicken here, we also have curry the chicken.
Yeah, man.
And we have the rice, and we have that.
We have the rice, and we have the sliced fish. We have the seasoning, you know. So the might be there. Oh, on the fish season, I'm going to take from Joe. I'm going to take fish season.
Yeah.
Alright, right, you see it?
General. All is well. Cool, man.
Yo, no, boy, I'm gonna stop watching all the man gonna mash up the place.
Yeah. You know?
Yeah, stop watching all the virgin, all the Rasta man virgin, we make the Rasta.
Oh.
Come on, yo. When I put out something virgin where when I say, yo, look over surprise and very, and me I look to see what I go on and me not catch what I go on. I want, you know?
Oh, what she put up?
Yeah, something more time me I say, yo.
Oh.
I wish, you know?
I still now.
I'm still not
See what she at
see the
about.
surprise, you see me? The thing good though.
Yeah, man.
There, man, child. Just keep up the thing steady, you know?
Definitely, man.
We're
Cool,
there,
man.
hear that?
Yes, sir.
Straight,
Respect,
non-stop.
Non-stop,
Full
man.
speed there, hear that from
Yeah, and stop mind everything, man. Respect
yeah,
you all,
man,
you know,
every
what you
time,
think,
man.
go on, you know?
Yeah, man, you chop on my program, man.
Oh, see
On my program, you know?
that is it. That
You
is
know,
it.
I say my program is brother.
What do you do?
Yeah, man, watch them thing, man. You hear that?
Yeah.
You don't know, big up, yes, sir?
Alright,
Big up, every time.
what do you come from? Just boss. Eh? Now, what chef shop today? That's true, now to show them, see it down there, I bring it from. But him say this is when we get from over Trevor yard, him say. Fisherman Trevor. Go on mixing it out. Not yet.
Peel off and shot them.
Join all up on this up.
More cement helps make it dry quicker, so if you want to dry quicker, you can put like more cement there.
Where she gone, no sunshine.
Come on. We have no other than Rasta Jackson in the building.
Yeah.
We just have Rosa Rose just passed out the building. And now we have the original Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, listen to them for the slave, no?
Yes, sir.
I know say enter around and anything about we always be around, no?
We got to be around.
Always, no? I will
Rosa
come from
Rose.
road.
Always come from work, have to be around.
Yeah.
Road Natisha round.
Yeah.
Rose. Rosa, Rosa, Rose. You know that Rosa Rose song there? Rosa, Rosa, Rose. Rose is a girl who live next door. And she's really, hey, you remember that song the them say Panther Street you find the most ninja them. Sha la 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 la. Pan Second Street you find the most duck them. Sha la 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 la. Pan First Street you find the most rust them. Sha la 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 la. Pan Fourth Street you find the how you find?
Yeah, man.
Pan Fourth you find who again? Pan Fourth Street you but I know them say Pan Fifth Street you find Naira go put pitney there. Sha la 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 la. The man say Pan Fifth Street you find Naira go pitney them. Sha la 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 la. And Pan Fourth Street you find the most ball of them. Sha la la.
Yeah, don't like to go to the door.
No, and Pan Third Street them find the most ninja them.
Yeah.
Sha la 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 la.
Yes.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey Joe, you didn't know that song there, Joe? You didn't know that song there, man. The man said no, man, I was at the Garrison song, man, the inner city song. And I sing it, man. I will sing it, I sing it, man. I want man about the place, man, to sing it, man. Who? Remember who they make it up?
Story sing a song like that, you know.
Yeah. I don't think a story.
Yeah?
And I think a story.
And the man from Bayasa. I remember what my story style like that one long time, but I remember how we chatted again.
The man said, Pan Fifth Street you find Nayaruko Pitney them.
Nayaruko family them,
yeah. Shalala.
Movie Pan Fifth Street, you know.
Yes.
So
this is the Nayaruko family.
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson is from the Nayaruko family.
Yes.
You see me? Obviously you find the singer and the dancer them.
Yeah.
Pan Fifth Street, so you call them the Nayaruko family.
Yeah.
So when them say Pan Fifth Street you find Nayaruko Pitney them.
Yeah.
Shalala la 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 la.
Pan Second Street you
find the most duck them. Shalala la 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 la. And Pan Third Street you find the most ninja them. Shalala la 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 la. And Pan First Street you find the most rust them. Shalala la 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 la. Scanner, you know the song the Scanner?
La la la.
Scanner, you know the song man. Wait there. Scanner, why you say it new? Wait there, that come from in your days. Come on, Scanner. We used to sing that song there a lot when time we were younger. You know. It was the Christmas anthem. It was our Christmas carol. And I forgot what them sing about Buckers. Buckers was in it, and you have Pona Mount, you have Rima Scheme, but they cannot remember them. So much of them time. Hey, but just Rosa Rose pass, I know you are pass. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yes,
I know. Rosa Rose just pass, now the baby mother pass.
I tell you about it. Don't tell you about talk about it. I say my son now was up. Everyone make people want me laugh.
Yeah.
I give them the cry laugh.
Cry laugh.
And all the road. They stop and give them the cry laugh. Stop me, dance me, sing to me. Give me the cry laugh.
Yeah. Everybody entertainer man. Show you the entertainer man. The big entertainer man. That's what them always want to hear. The Nayaruko Pitney them. Yeah. You must say tired like a roll.
Well, you know me for a long time, you just don't want to cook give me to eat. I don't know for a long time, you just want to cook give me. I mean, it's not now.
Yeah.
I know for a long time, you don't know them things for a long time.
Yeah.
Them say I always tired of those too.
Stew peas. Rosa, if you cook stew peas for your guy, he will never tell another lie.
I'm favorite dish.
I know it's true. What stew peas can do. They say it's higher like a roll.
Not embarrass me for the
And you with it. No, Rosa Rose. Rosa Rose. Trench Town full of some sample talent. There.
I want food alone and come out. Time alone drop down.
Tired like a rope. Hey, Jackson have some sample song too, you know. I told Jackson I want to release them.
You know about wait pan?
Yeah, we pan Jackson. Yeah. To release them, man. With the people here and teach them.
You know what time?
Yeah. And the time is now.
No, we are wait pan.
Right now.
No one. Eh?
Mm-hmm. Natisha will be the producer, right?
Yeah. I know we there for help.
Yeah. And the viewers them is here watching, ready to produce.
We there for help one another.
Yes.
Again.
We
want here.
Everyone that.
Yeah.
So everyone that different. Everyone say can produce me.
Yeah man, we and the donors them are gonna produce it. We and the viewers them is gonna produce it.
You want a hand? Listen Kino, tell me if me never. Him want a hand, me I got bigger hand.
Yeah.
And the next somebody I got bigger hand. So it must work.
Of course, if he want a foot, he can get a
I
foot.
can't remember some in Jesus.
What's a hand?
And a foot.
And a foot.
Kino, tell him me is not Jesus. I can't manage everything.
She get one and a 2 foot. That 2 foot never get 2 hand.
Yeah,
Can't get another foot.
Yeah.
I can't manage everything.
She
You have to
half
look
key.
half. No, me have to look half. I can't manage everything.
You get another foot. That means you have key.
Yeah. So she not have no hand, no foot.
You know that
No, me I lend you half. Half for
Scanner,
me.
come sing a song.
Me I lend you half for me.
Come Scanner, can you part Bob Marley?
Come look more better than that.
So me I tell him me I lend him half for me and then go search the next half and come back.
You come full. No, half. You want full key. So you, not even
Alright, me can't be a manager because me can't help
just tell
you.
you, yo, I'm going to give you the whole full of me.
Me can't be
all
a
of
manager
me.
then because me can't help you.
Come here, Scanner. Scanner, come here, Scanner. Come sing a song for the people. Them. Come here. Because he's a part with Bob Marley. Take your time, walk, Scanner. Cause I know you used to part. Hold it. You used to part Bob Marley. Give it a song. Yeah, man. Yeah, Bob Marley used to part.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright for the new year. That is real.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is kind of song for real for the new year. No star.
I play a song with me, I move in the theater. I move every time when I was around, I went and I was on, I'll go around and come around. I move because everything we touch, I move.
Star.
Everyone will do things, you know. Everyone will do things.
Of course.
I'll just play, you know. We come up live. Everything come up live. But you know, we are going, and Natisha want to deal with it, you know. And it's girl.
Yeah.
You see,
star in the movie.
Yes, I'm going to keep up with them live.
Yes. Live and direct. We're giving you the movie. Live and direct. Alright, so third P next artist here rolling. Whoa! Yeah man, shalalala. It was our Christmas carol.
Yes,
not Christmas Denny, it's a Christmas moral, it's choral. Right? It's choral. Not Jacqueline, it's not Christmas Jacqueline, it's Christmas carol.
Christmas carol.
Now Christmas Patsy, it was Christmas carol. Oh. Now for this. The man say upon Fifth Street you find Nairobi pitney them. La 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 la. Yeah, until today there. And upon 4th Street you find the most ball of them. La 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 la. Upon 3rd Street you find the most ninja them. La 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 la. You know why? Copy a ninja man is upon 3rd Street. And upon 2nd Street you have the most dope them.
Yes.
See him here. And upon 1st Street you find the most Rasta them. Sha la 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 la. That is it. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. At the Rima anthem. Sha la 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 la. Rosa Rose just passed through with his shoe piece. smooth off. Alright, so here we go. This is well smooth. Like Michael Jackson, Smooth Criminal. Smooth Criminal. Yeah. Load up the board, load up the board, load up the board, load up the board. Things get hot. Yes, well guys, so I guess we're gonna conclude for today, because I naturally have to run as well to go and start something out quickly as well too. So then it's getting dark as well too. So hopefully we can get a chance to do back something tomorrow or whenever it's free again. Yes guys, so that is what beating us, because through naturalism I'm busy, and right now we did have to go do a job, so I have to quickly go and sort that out as well too, while he was here. So yeah, so the time is kind of sticky, but whenever the time we can get, because remember this charity work, everyone volunteer their time, no one is getting paid on this charity job that we're doing and the charity work that we're doing. So it's all volunteer, everyone give a time when they can, and we appreciate it, because we all say, let's help out our community. So everyone volunteer to give a helping hand, so we appreciate at one's time. So if somebody can give 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever the time may be, we really appreciate it, because when you volunteer you don't have to give anything that you want to give. So we appreciate everything. So whenever Natural is free again, whenever Natural is free again, we can literally just do something. But blessed. Yeah, so what I will try to do, in the future, just correct me, just help me out in the future. If we're gonna do some jobs and everything, we can probably hire somebody who can come and help out whenever Natural is not there, So we're gonna try and see if we can do that as well. To whenever Natural is not around, we can pay someone, give them a day's pay, or to come help out a situation, because it's not everyone gonna volunteer to come and work, help out other people, but we know they will come if they're getting paid. So that's the next thing I'm going to be looking into, if we're going to do anything, especially if we're going to go on the road chef. We're going to work on the road chef, because the timing is going to be essence. We don't want it to be long out and to drag out. So if Natural is not there and cannot help, we can actually pay an ex-builder to come do a day or two, whatever the donation can stretch to. So we're gonna always ask for some form of support to doing that part, because if we're gonna pay the worker to come in, we have to pay them out of the donation that we're gonna receive. So with that now, at least now we can move a bit faster. We can move a bit faster whenever Natural is not here, it help out quicker. So guys, I'm asking you to help us out on this journey of trying to do our best to help out each and everyone that we can. I know we cannot save the whole world, but we can try and save what we can save and help what we can help. So if that's the situation, I'm asking you guys to kindly to help out the situation. Help me to pay up a bill, who is not willing to volunteer to give their time. At least we can pay them to come give them time. Same way, we can help the project to move more faster, so we can move on to another. So I think that will be the best interest for moving towards in the future, for us to can cover more project, by helping out. So when we do that now, we move more faster, because Natural have to go and put in his work, we have to go and work to make ends meet. So we kind of understand and we respect that. And it's not everyone, it's not the members them cannot build, they're not a builder, so they were just here trying to learn something, but they're not at that class yet where they can do something on their own, so it's gonna take time for them. But otherwise we have to just work with what we got take what we have, you know, and we give thanks for what we have. So if that's the way moving forward, then we have to go and do it that way, you know. If you agree with me, you can say, you know, yes, we agree, it makes sense, you know. I will give thanks to each and everyone that played them part and help out the dream team on this journey, you know. But for the journey to carry on, then we have to think and look into new ways of moving forward, you know, for the best interests. So guys, stay tuned. I will thank you so much for watching Keenan Live in Jamaica, you know, and this is gonna conclude for today's video. And remember, if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, please guys put the thumbs up, keep it going, smash the like button, tell a friend to tell a friend about Keenan Live in Jamaica. So blessed love and stay tuned for the next video. Dream Team 1 team. Put these over there. Jax, bring that. Son, hold on, look. Scanner is not your time, it does roll out. The cement, bringing this. In there.
So go in.
Yeah.
You put that piece of wood over and I can't do it.
Mind the edge. Touch it. How should I go feel from? Before I bring it down then. Scanner, come here. Come here, Scanner. I'll show you where not to touch. Yeah. Okay, try to touch it, not to make the ladies them spank you.
Really spank?
Yeah, really spank. You can feel like a young boy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, alright, Scanner, look. These edge are wet, right?
Remember,
Yeah.
don't look for them much less we touch it.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Door edges them, or you see the edges them done, they're wet. Yeah. This is wet because it's cement.
And don't act stupid now when you're talking to me now.
Yeah. And over here, same way.
Yeah.
It's wet. So don't push the bed.
Yeah.
So don't make this board go back
No.
on it, right?
It stay same
Stay
thing.
same here so it's dry.
And make sure Scanner don't touch anywhere where you don't supposed to touch.
Yeah.
I
And
will
ply
spoil
them.
the people. Them.
So these ply, I will go in your roof in here, so you know?
There's something I put in my camp.
Yeah. Yes, Scanner.
Where's some of the dog? The wheelchair.
Wheelchair. You can't stay with Philip.
No, we do something less in there. Can't
Some of
put
them are
yourself.
going to take out all tight on the wheelchair can't go in it. I say, I'm going to mash up this so.
You can start somehow don't want to damage yourself.
And this one not dry.
Can't make the wheelchair.
Pull up that number.
It's
That's
never
in a
done.
Philip yard. You can't make some of the things them stay in a Philip yard. Kind of bad now go take them Scanner. Because we cannot damage the work that we've been doing. You understand?
Yeah.
It has to dry. So, I can't put the wheelchair. The wheelchair stay in the yard. Nothing now do it. Till tomorrow, you can go back in there
When it's something them dry.
Yeah, when it dry.
Make sure you don't act stupid and do the thing negative.
Yes, let's make it dry, please. Okay?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, speaking. Hold on one sec. Alright. Alright, you're a scanner?
Yeah.
Big up.
Into this shot.
Some ketchup it on it.
So this is the okra sauce. Wow, chef is making the okra sauce. Whoa. Okra sauce the wow is making.
Yeah man, right, yeah man. So yeah man, you see it? And I start putting on the right way. I get some ketchup and chew night. So I start putting on the right way and them thing I get soft. My God, when I put them up on rice. You see me? You see?
So guys, the wow chef is making this okra sauce.
The gravy I get thick already, watch it. The gravy I get thick already. You know?
So this you have okra, you have carrot, you have onion,
pepper, you know, red, gold and green, same way. Carrot, okra, and the onion. Nobody watch out the onion white, because the red one we want, so we couldn't get the red one. Any onion and onion, because it's good for the prostate and all the part. You see me I say?
So guys, you have to eat a lot of onion.
Yeah man.
It's good for the prostate. You say prostate?
Not prostate, you know.
Yeah.
Prostate or with one. You see me I say? Yeah. Onion good feet, especially the red one them.
Yeah.
The red one them. It have a whole heap of medicine in it.
Yeah.
No more.
Chef, what name? Prostate.
Prostration. Prostate. Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, good for them something there. It's good for pressure. Any onion and the white one too. You might eat a lot of onion with saltfish.
Yeah.
I'm the saltfish salt, just boil it and wash it up and cut it with some onion. Yeah man. You eat the earth, you eat that man, pressure gone. Yeah man.
So guys,
onion, good for prostate.
Yeah.
Yeah, me I say you see it.
Prostate.
Yeah,
not prostate.
Yeah man, prostate.
It's good for your prostate.
Yeah man.
So if you have prostate, not prostate, check wow chef, it might be remedy for your prostate.
Yeah man. Get the onion, cut up with the saltfish, well boiled out. Yeah man, the red onion and the white one, any one onion. Good.
So what you have in the pot? So you have your...
Yeah man. See that?
There's a sliced fish.
Yeah man, what watch it brown and looking at the flour.
One brown, one light.
Yeah.
One a bleach.
Yeah, can I watch the colour? Cause barbecue that one there a while ago.
Okay. Or your barbecue one?
Yeah, you have to use the sauce on it. Make it give the barbecue. Yeah, there's a colour there alone with some flour and you know look seasoning and yeah, you see.
So like when you barbecue that one, ready to that one over there like
so this now, I want a barbecue now, this now, I get a special fry, you know. Yeah, but the pot never well so hot. That's what get a look here, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, you see me I say.
So that's different type of way you fry that one, yeah.
Yeah, so anytime I cook down, I last I go in, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but then they go and boil up and thing, I'm just put it on top.
Yeah, so this...
Yeah, make it settle down, you know.
And all good for the back.
Not simmer down, you know, settle down. Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, good for the back, you know, the carrot good for the eye, you know. The carrot, you know, they eat a whole heap of carrot, you look far, you can't see far. You see me I say?
So you can't see bad mind from afar.
Yeah, and they eat a whole heap of onion, good for your prostate.
Yeah.
Okra, the back food, you know. You don't know okra back food already.
Yes.
You see me I say?
So guys, you hear that? So if you have back problem,
yeah man,
and you want your back to be cured,
yeah man,
you're under pressure with your back,
yeah man,
check out chef. Eat a lot of onion.
Okra.
Eat a lot of okra.
Yeah man, cause the back, okra good for the back. Yeah, you just eat a lot of okra, boil it and drink it, and then you just cook up your fish, okra, saltfish, anything you want to do. Yeah, man. And the onion now good for your prostate. Yeah, man. A carrot good for your eye.
Yeah.
I see you have to look from far. Yeah, that the carrot there for. Boil, juice, anything you want to do with the carrot. Yeah, that's it there for, man.
Yes, guys, so this man is not talking from one art, he's talking from two art.
Yeah, man.
As I said twice. You have two art, one on the left and one on the right.
Because I want to get tired right now, at least me work off. See me I said, yeah, man, the one I get tired. Like that's easy enough, but at least me work off and kind of, you know? Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're going to the right hand, the left hand.
Man. And so it's good with that too. Okra. Okra good with fish. And they eat fish and okra, they call it dapper food. Dapper, make me say, and if you want dapper, steam fish and snapper. You see me I say, yeah, fish and dapper food. Yeah, man, you see? Mix with the okra. Yeah, man, the pepper now, just get a pepper spice.
So what's going with your fire? Nothing not going.
That go on, man, I cover it too, cover up, man. Yeah, I cover it up, make it, yeah, man, I come up, man. Yeah, man, you see me I say it, I come up. Yeah, man. Dapper food.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, them are dapper food. They eat fish and okra. A dapper. You see? All of the man eat okra and snapper, because snapper this slice up in a big snapper this slice. Dapper food. But you want to have the Guinness a beat yet.
Yes. Yeah, that Guinness and straighten up, you know. Straighten the back and everywhere. Yes.
They beat them thing and eat them thing, you know, girl can't call it buckle snapper, you know.
Yeah.
Dapper food, them food, yeah. Yeah, man, dapper, you know, I say.
Nobody can try.
So I said, dapper, yo, genius. Yo.
And the boom.
Genius, yo, oh, yeah, man, one more something left for now.
Yeah,
man, one more something left for now. Man, see there. And a shelly down there, so a baby sister, you know. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. And a shelly down there, so baby sister. And the rice. You see me?
White rice.
Yeah, man. Should I drop 2 grain of peas in it, you know, but, you know?
Yeah.
See me, I said.
But chef, but you see a white rice with a little bit of sliced fish, and that alone you cook.
No! You have to show something again, you know.
Yes, because water go on, if I soup rice I go eat.
Boy, that I go on for water go on.
Yes.
Yeah, man. That, watch it now. We have the rice, and we have the fish there now. And come. Yeah, man, we get the spoon, you know. Yeah, man. See it. Sorry. Oh, see that?
Tell you about that cat.
Yeah, man, see that fire. Look on fire first, so you're ready.
Yeah.
It's an hell fire, you know. Coal fire.
Coal fire.
It's not hell fire. Coal fire. Yeah, because we deal with hell, you know. Heaven, no. Deal with, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because we have Jesus on the side there. Father God on the side there. Yeah, man, you see? So we have both. You see me, I say? I watch it now. See them curry down. You want steam. Smell the curry from way out, that steam, watch it. See there. Them things you cook from down in Africa. Them something here. Yeah.
It's all the way from Africa that cook from.
First time curry I cook from Africa. Yeah, those them two them go name it Indian curry. And the turmeric. Yeah, and Africa them they grow. Yeah, you see? Original curry. Yeah, man. You see? And Indian curry, you know, but original curry Africa it come from. You see what I say? Yeah, I forgot it. I look at you. Mother that used one curry one time, you know, she said, Ghanaian it come from, you know. And I said, Ghanaian, yeah, you know. I said, yeah, man, that's how 4 parents come from, you know.
Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana. That's how we love curry, you know. Yeah, man, you have Ghana background in a way. Yeah, man. You see me, I say, we have different races now too, you know. Yeah. But see the Ghanaian them. Yeah. Yeah, man. I tell them, man, boy, I tell them strong and powerful in Africa, you know.
Yeah, because that's where them say Aki come from.
We have all Ethiopia blood now too. Yeah.
So you have blood mix up.
Yeah, man. So 2 different continent blood now me, you know. Yeah, man, we have Ethiopia and America. You know, America blood in my system, you know. Yeah, Ethiopia. Yeah. Enough love in Haile Selassie the first.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, man. There up on the ground and go and finish up the thing, you know. Yeah, cause you see.
Alright then. So guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned for our chef in the kitchen making it work.
Yeah, man, stay part 2.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Part 2 that we are share food.
When that share.
Yeah, man, part 2.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay for part 2. Yeah, look at me from now.
Alright.
So about 20 minutes.
And it's ready.
Ready, you know. Yeah, so part 2 coming up, 20 minutes time. Yeah, peace out. No, love sit there. Only people love, you know. New York, love New York, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's my art. So this red. A two color my art have. It have red and pink. Yeah, so it have the side I get red. I said, yeah, it a keep, I said the side I get pink now. Yeah. And the next side I keep, you see, in two art, me have so the two see. You see me I say, no, love never see it. I go, I'm done. Alright. Now a minute there.
Guys, that is the Wow Chef. So all the new viewers, them, if you don't know the Wow Chef, get familiar with the Wow Chef. I'm telling you. Let's get familiar with him. Trust me, he's something else. The man with the two art, not one, twice. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.